motor is Minn Kota. So they can make much longer. For a 4-man strong motor, for a valve transom mill. However, it's not going to be a transom mill for very long. Anybody here stuck? This is the head cover. Bottom. Usually about 6 of them. I have a magnet. One on the ground. Not a big deal. Cover comes off. Pull all of this out. I'll show you when it's done with this portion. Alright, so when you get all this disassembled, that's what it look like. The throttle, that goes to that. Right there is a potentiometer for your different speeds. Reverse, forward. All this just comes off the shaft. Just disconnect the wires. That's a little short shaft up there. And there's the motor head. So what we're gonna do is heat this guy up. Release these adhesive from the threads, screw it out, and I have another shaft I'll show you in a minute. So you're gonna heat the little shaft here, get that adhesive. Get it a little loosened up. Got that adhesive loose. Now you can twist it by hand.